Now at 6, renters will soon have more rights when it comes to picking an apartment in a flood-prone area. A new law requires landlords to disclose a property's flooding history before renting it out.
CBS News Miami Steve Majiri went to North Miami today to tell us how valuable this program will be.
It's all damaged, and it makes the wood soft.
Angelica Guerra says flooding is common in her neighborhood in the backyard.
It's like a swamp back here.
And the front lot of her apartment building on 141st Street in North Miami.
Multiple times I had to call out because I couldn't drive out of here.
She tells me she wasn't told about the flooding issues when she moved in, so now she's hunting for a new apartment.
I wouldn't want to risk all my stuff getting damage to the property, and then I don't know if they're gonna count me for that damage.
And she'll have more information to work with this time. A new law now requires Florida landlords to provide prospective tenants with a flood disclosure form for any lease that's a year or longer. It tells the tenant any known history of flooding damage at the property. And if the landlord doesn't give this form to the tenant, and if the unit later suffers substantial damage, the tenant can break the lease within 30 days of the damage. Real estate lawyer Raul Gastesi says this form is required for new tenants and those looking to renew their lease. He tells me the form also notifies tenants that their renter's insurance likely doesn't cover flooding, so they may want to get separate flooding coverage.
You need to know that you live in a flood zone, and even if you get tenant insurance, it doesn't cover you.
Property manager Eileen Quesada says this is simply another form to include with the lease. She says it benefits both parties.
It does create transparency. It creates preparedness for the tenant if they do decide to go with this property.
Guerra says when she looks for a new place, she won't sign unless she sees the flooding history first. Gastesi says this disclosure form is required if you're looking to get a mobile home or even if you're looking to buy a house or a condo. The new law takes effect on October 1st. In North Miami, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.